greet the besties. It's your girl, Nikki Miamii. Y'all back in the video with another Pat Mama Room moment. You already know what time of day it is, y'all. We got this work pre-made compost. About to go ahead and get it right. We're about to excavate it, put it inside of the storage bin. That way I can go ahead and do what it do. I can have my compost soil for next week for my garden.
Yes, baby.
Here I am cutting up my 5-foot box on the windowsill. I'm going to take the soil, use the same one for my compost yard, because guess what? I'm saving all types of money.
Go to the park right now and get it together. I'm going to put leaves in there, the newspaper. I got tea bag, I got peanut sugar, I got apple, I got pineapples. I got a sweet potato, got my leaves and all that good stuff. And we're on a mission to get this compost ready for our spring garden, y'all. So let's go ahead and make it work. To the park we go. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome. We're in the right place where we grow together. We come together because we what? You already know what time it is, y'all. We stay what? On the budget. That part. Those who keep rocking with your girl, you already know what time it is. Also, I love y'all. Without y'all, honestly, our channel won't be taking off. It won't be growing. It won't be doing what it do. So I appreciate everybody. Whether you new, whether you just started looking at my videos, I appreciate all y'all, okay? From the heart. You see it's in Miami, right? 305 all day, baby, the bar in the crib. Duke Miami in the building, y'all. Straight like that, okay? Got to go ahead and start the process of the compost. So make sure you guys keep watching. Like, comment, share, all that good stuff, alright? I got you. We got some twigs too. What else I got? I got brown paper bags. You know we need that brown for that compost. Sets for $70, y'all. They was $1 each because they come $2 in the pack. $10 for one. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get it because it's very small. I can put it in my book bag. My daughter can hold it if she need to do her butt thing. UPS bin for. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with it. Right here is food, guys. Frozen food. You see how it's dripping? Yeah, because I went ahead and put water to let it throw out. So I'm going to show you right fast. Some carrots, some peppers, all that stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and line this up with the dirt and the rest of the compost. So that's your food stuff. You never go wrong with that. Here, compost will be going in here again. Yeah, I didn't want to go to the store to get a whole storage bin because right now I want to save as much money as I could. I'll make it work by the best way I could. So I feel like it's gonna be good to go. It was free, so I asked the post office lady. She said, "Oh, I'll leave that right there." I said, "Oh, okay. So you don't need it? Then let me go ahead and take it home and use it." So that's how I ended up getting it, y'all. Yeah. It says for do not use for private use, but guess what? It's old, y'all. It's from 2016 of May, so that's like 10 years ago. Almost 9 years ago. So I'm going to use my compost. I have not put holes in it yet. I will be doing that later on after the video. So yes, but I also got some holes already inside there. But make sure you want to put some holes inside your compost so it can drip down. You don't want a soggy compost. I'm still trying to record for y'all. I apologize. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this video up because guess what, y'all? I want to show you guys as much as I could. My daughter portable charger is not doing too good, so it's very, very slow. I'm going to try to get through for y'all. I want y'all to see all the process that I'm doing, okay?
So the reason why I'm taking my spray paint is because like this is gonna be outside. I live in an apartment in New York City, so I don't have my own balcony or my own backyard. And I don't want nobody to like, oh my gosh, using the post office thing and try to mess with my compost, y'all. So I feel like the black gonna like camouflage it the way it's gonna be at and things like that, y'all. So that's why I'm doing it. And also because it's a little more better like actually spray black than just be white and all the logos and lettering on there. Just like that. I apologize for the background noise, the popo, the ambulance. Remind you guys, I'm in the trenches, I'm in the hood. Ain't no shame on my game. You feel me? So I'm still in the hood. I ain't make it out yet, but guess what? Soon coming, God willing. All I'm doing is taking some little twigs and sticks and breaking them up. Remember, the smaller, the better it will process and break down.
This girl and her bees. Look at them. Bee girl. My daughter got a bee on her.
And I ain't scared either. And he wasn't looking weak, so I said, you know what, I'm just going to get a bomb with this bee, and I'm just going to, you know, help out this bee. So I put him on a flower, and then I gently laid my hand out.
My daughter, she can talk. She loves her insects and bees and whatnot. So every time we at the park, she always catching her bugs and her bees and things like that. She like look at them for like a day and then she let them go, y'all. But back to the compost, as you saw me just do the twigs first, I did that. And honestly, y'all, this is the way I'm doing mine. I know that everybody got their own way how they do compost, so don't be like, oh, that's wrong. You know, no, listen, what works for me, what works for me. I tried the same thing last year for the first time. And I tell you, my compost was so good. My compost was so good, y'all, it started to grow mushrooms. Your compost started to grow mushrooms, you doing it right, y'all. So this is the same soil I showed you guys before in the beginning of my windowsill flower bed. All I'm doing is taking the soil, y'all. I'm gonna put the same soil in this compost what I got and making it right the best way I could. And I also put some brown paper bags up in there too as well. You see it to the bottom, the brown paper bag. And let's get to the food. So you're going to actually do layers. You're going to do twigs first. You're going to do brown bags, whatever you got. And you're going to put soil. Now, when you put your food scraps, right, put your food scraps on top of your soil. Okay, I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but this is how I do mine. Right, y'all? So I put my food scraps on top of my soil. You're going to go ahead and layer it up. It's going to be the same way as you doing lasagna, y'all. The same way. You're going to layer everything up. Because you want the food to not smell. You don't want to smell, y'all.
Alex, Babs, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath, get down on my knees, because you really want to hold me when I'm looking good enough.
The reason why you don't want to smell because you're going to have animals going to be attracted to the smell. They're going to go and dig your compost up to get some food up in there, and ain't going to be no food up in there but some scraps. So you don't want that to happen. You don't want no rats to get into your compost. You don't want no fruit flies, no more. You want to have as natural as possible, y'all. So what you're going to go ahead and do next is keep building up your compost. You're going to do layers. You're going to do food. You're going to do twigs. You're going to do paper brown bag, whatever you got, you're going to make it where you're going to keep layering it. And this is like actually real food that I had in the freezer. So like I said, I live in an apartment, and what I did was I just started to freeze my compost, put it in the bag, and I had that for since March, y'all. So all the food that we have in my house sometimes, you know what I'm saying, I just freeze it, and I'm just not using it for my compost. So it works for me, y'all.
Okay, guys, that's again for rocking with your girl still. If you made this far to the video, that means you like it, so go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, share for more. But yeah, you saw me go ahead and layer it. So basically, I put the leaves, the soil, the food, everything one at a time. You gotta layer it because when you layer it, you later on mix it all together. But first you want food and just like that. So you see right here, got some holes. I'm gonna have to find a way to cover it up. That way the soil won't be coming out when I go ahead and fill it to the top. Okay, y'all. Make sure there's no poop on it, nothing. You want to have clean, natural, dry leaves. Okay, y'all? Brown. And let's go ahead and continue to layer, y'all. So I'm going to come back to y'all, keep it updated, and give you guys the last session of this video. All right, y'all? Hang on tight. It's a vibe.
A few moments later.
So, guys, we done doing the compost right fast in the park. I'm about to go head home to the apartment building and put the compost outside. Hopefully, it'll be okay. I'm not too sure. But guess what, y'all? We got to find out one day because, hopefully nobody bother it. I want to go ahead and cover it up. So that's going to be my next step. And let's go ahead and push this wagon onto the crib. Let's go. This is the wagon right here, guys. It's so handy. I had this for over 5-6 years. And it's still clinging on. It's so dirty, but guess what, y'all? I'm going to make it work. Look. I ain't playing. What, honey? You going to rig it up the best way you could. Alright, y'all, so I'm headed to the compost section where I got it at. Remember, I'm on the first floor, so I'm doing the best I could, y'all, to get my compost right. Last year, I had it in my windowsill, in my box, but this year, I'm trying something different out. I want to go ahead and keep it right here. So, remember, this is my windowsill right here, y'all. My windowsill, my daughter. My baby girl. So, yeah, I want to go ahead and put it right here. That's the compost, y'all. I try to spray paint or blend it all in and things like that, so what I want to go ahead and do now is take a bag and some tape. And like I said, I'm going to put some bags. Well, not some bags. I'm going to put a bag over here and then write on it, like, compost, please don't touch. That way the people who be cleaning and cutting grass, they won't mess with my stuff. So they won't think it's something like crazy going on here. So yeah, that's how it look. Got the compost going on. So that's what it is, y'all. So grateful. I'm gonna go ahead and do is push it in like that from the side. Oh yeah, this I went ahead and covered the hole. Remember the hole was right here? So I took a bag, I cut it, and then I just did like this, y'all. So it stopped the soil from coming from the side. I tried my best to make it work. Remember, y'all, first time gardening, it's okay. Do what you gotta do. Don't nobody tell you nothing different, okay? Don't try to be perfect. It's all about hacks. It's all about situations. It's all about making it work best way you could, okay? And you see your girl right here. I hope I inspire somebody to start a garden today. I don't care if you live in an apartment with no window box. Guess what, y'all? You see I'm outside doing it, okay? You're gonna have trials. You're gonna have tribulations. But the best thing about it, don't give up. Keep going. You know what I'm saying? So you got any questions? Go ahead and hit that comment section. Comment down below. Let your girl know what's going on. Hopefully I can help you. That's what it is, y'all. That's what it is. So I went ahead and packed it all down. Hopefully that'll stay. I'm not sure. I should have like a rock here to hold it down. Let's see if I can find me a rock, y'all. That way it won't. Oh, perfect. Here go one right here. Take this little rock here to hold it down just like this. That way the back won't fly off. I'm going to go ahead and poke some holes here for the compost can breathe as well. I need one more rock and I'll be A-okay. I'm going to write, please do not touch compost so people can know what's going on here. For this. Please. Just like that, I'm going to do my apartment too. Right here, I'm going to put apartment on you. You can know that it's belongs to me. That way they want to tell something ridiculous. Trust my apartment, that's what I'm doing. You know, so apartment, y'all. I was doing myself. You got a problem? Come on, don't y'all. Do like that. Please don't touch. It's compost. Thanks. Yeah, y'all. So hopefully that'll work. Oh, I gotta put some holes in there too, y'all. So that's what it is. That's what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, thanks again for the love. I appreciate it all. You already know y'all grow your own foods to be a flex. Happy growing. See you guys later because you always what? Ball in the budget. Ow.